Good morning and welcome to the DebtCircle Morning Brief. I am your host Vijendra, bringing you the latest updates from the debt markets, fixed income space, currencies, commodities, and primary issuances shaping today's financial landscape. Let's begin with the India government securities yield curve. The 1-year yield stands at 6.06%, 3-year at 6.61%, 5-year at 6.93%, 7-year at 7.08%, 9-year at 7.01%, 10-year at 7.14%, 15-year at 7.42%, and the 30-year yield stands at 7.71%. Moving to the US Treasury yield curve, the 1-year Treasury yield is at 3.83%, 3-year at 4.21%, 5-year at 4.33%, 7-year at 4.50%, 10-year at 4.67%, and the 30-year Treasury yield stands at 5.18%. Now, let's take a look at the currency markets. The US dollar against the Indian rupee is at 96 rupees and 83 paise compared to the previous level of 96 rupees and 68 paise. The euro against the rupee is at 112 rupees and 38 paise versus 112 rupees and 33 paise previously. The British pound stands at 129 rupees and 80 paise compared to 129 rupees and 62 paise earlier. The Japanese yen is steady at 61 paise. And the Chinese yuan is trading at 14 rupees and 18 paise compared to 14 rupees and 17 paise previously. Let's move to commodities and market indices. Gold, 24 carat, 99.9 purity is trading at 15,835 rupees per 10 grams compared to 15,704 rupees earlier. Silver is trading at 2,800 rupees per 10 grams versus 2,850 rupees previously. Crude oil is trading at $110.48 per barrel, marginally lower from $110.52. In the equity markets, the Sensex closed at 74,899.48 compared to 75,200.85 previously. The Nifty closed at 23,487.20 versus 23,618.00 earlier. Now, let's look at India's primary corporate bond issuances. HDB Financial Services Limited has announced a 300 crore rupee issuance with a tenure of 36 months and a AAA rating from CARE Ratings Limited. Bajaj Housing Finance Limited plans to raise 500 crore rupees through bonds with a tenure of 36 months and a coupon of 7.83%, rated AAA by CRISIL Ratings Limited. Kirtana Finserv Limited has announced an 83 crore rupee issuance with a 16-month tenure and a coupon of 12%. IFL Finance Limited plans a 50 crore rupee issuance with a 24-month tenure and a coupon of 11.75%, carrying a BBB rating from CRISIL Ratings Limited. Now on to the auction calendar. For Treasury bills, the 91-day T-bill auction, 182-day T-bill auction, and 364-day T-bill auction are scheduled for May 20th, 2026, with settlement on May 21st, 2026. The auction sizes are 12,000 crore rupees, 6,000 crore rupees, and 6,000 crore rupees respectively. In government securities, the 6.03% Government Security 2029, 6.68% Government Security 2033, and 7.24% Government Security 2055 auctions will take place on May 22, 2026, with settlement scheduled for May 25, 2026. The auction sizes are 11,000 crore rupees, 11,000 crore rupees, and 10,000 crore rupees respectively. And finally, here are the key upcoming events for the week. The Treasury bills auction is scheduled for May 20th, 2026. The Mumbai International Finance Expo will take place on May 21st, 2026. The Government Securities Auction is scheduled for May 22nd, 2026. India Credit Conference 2026 will be held on May 26th, 2026. The International Conference on Global Financial Markets and Economic Policy will take place on June 6th, 2026 in Lucknow. And the IDC Financial Services Summit India is scheduled for June 12th, 2026. That's all for today's edition of the DebtCircle Morning Brief. Stay informed, stay ahead, and keep tracking the markets with DebtCircle. I am Vijendra, signing off. Have a productive trading day ahead.